Hey yo, what's up? This is your girl E checking in. How y'all doing, E-babes? I hope you all having a great day, a great morning, a great evening from wherever you guys are watching. And today's video, you guys, is yes! Okay, so don't mind your girl face because baby, we here to cook this morning. We're not here to look cute. You feel me? But hey, your girl still look cute anyway. Y'all can't tell me nothing, alright? But anyway, you guys, we are going to make coconut butter garlic shrimp. And guess what? We're gonna pair that with grits, you guys. If you are new, before I get started, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like our channel. And what's up to all my E-babes? What's up? You already know how we do. I love you all so much, and thank you for clicking on this video, babes. I love you all so much. But all right, too much talking. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, I forgot to show you, tell you guys I had already started the grits, okay? So comment down below, let me know how y'all cook y'all grits, you know? Maybe your girl could learn something from you guys too, you know? So comment down below, let me know how y'all cook y'all grits. Let me show you, I had already started, y'all. I am so sorry. Okay, here we go. Alright, you guys, here's my grits, looking so good. And I do have the yellow one, the cornmeal. That's the one I am making, not the white one, but the yellow cornmeal. All right, so let me come over. I have coconut cream. I love this product right here. It's pure coconut cream and adobo seasoning. You guys already know the drill. Black pepper, garlic powder, salt. We have some avocado oil in the back. We have some of this right here. Yeah, you guys, and butter. It's in the fridge, okay? So stay tuned because we have some mild sausage, smoked sausage, you guys, and as well, I got some extra large shrimp. That's what we're gonna be cooking this. So stay tuned, you guys. All right, you guys. We are adding some more butter in there because we like extra butter. Okay, and feel free to use whatever butter you guys like. All right, it don't matter. You feel free to use whatever you like. Like I said, I always tell you guys that. Okay, let me give you guys a closer look. You see the butter? You see the butter melting? Yes, ma'am, you see that. Alright, you guys, as you can see, we got the sausage. Ooh, baby, it smells so good in here, y'all. Babe's cooking his wife breakfast, y'all. Chef Daddy. I say breakfast because it can be breakfast, all right? It's really dinner, you guys. It's dinner, okay? It's dinner. Yep, Daddy cooking dinner. Dinner. I'm messing with Bae, y'all. How about Bae ate all the sausage? It was that good. No, I did not. Look at him. All guys, we have Chef Bae in the kitchen. Okay, you guys, now we are going to do the shrimp. All right, you guys, we are going to cook them for 2 minutes per side, okay? All right, you guys, I have all the seasoning that Babe used lined up for you guys. We have the Cajun here. Then we have the curry powder here. We have garlic, minced garlic right here. We have a little pinch of clove he put in there, and paprika, and as well, I would love some coconut cream in there, but let's see if they're gonna add it. I love this stuff, you guys. And you can add some cayenne pepper if you like. And here's the shrimp. And here's the grits, you guys. They doing his thing. Yes, ma'am. All right, you guys. They've added some lemon juice in there, the real lemon. Oh, this is gonna be so good, I can't wait to try it and give you guys my opinion. It's gonna be good. Got the coconut cream going in, baby. Yes, ma'am. Oh, add more. Add more. A little bit more ain't gonna hurt nobody. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good in this kitchen. Smell good, y'all. You could add more paprika. Alright, you guys, I am done adding all my spice, all the marinated I was gonna add. You already know the green season. I have adobo, Cajun, paprika, garlic powder, what else? You name it all, and sazon in there, you guys. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure everything is well incorporated with the season. We're not gonna leave anything out like this piece right here. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and marinate it. So stay tuned. The next step, your girl will be frying it. I am gonna be using some flour. Feel free to use whatever type of flour you want to use. So yeah, you guys, let's not make this video so long and let's get started on the frying. All right, you guys, we have the flour here with 1 pork inside. We did season our flour too, you guys. Be sure to season your flour. And yeah, so here's our oil, and we are using avocado oil, y'all. Oh, all right, you guys, pork chop going in. Make you better. Boy, you want these hands? Look, stop. Alright, y'all. As you can see, the pork is in there. Wanna act up. I thought not coconut oil, but avocado. Oh, why are you doing your girl like that? All that coffee. I can add 2. You think I can add 2 in here?
I'll probably just run it.
Just run it one. All right, you guys, here's the pork chop. That's one of them, you guys. Your girl gonna go ahead and try it. So good. The food is done, y'all. It is done. Let's see what your girl in bed is working with. All right, let's see the finished product. Guys, everything is done. This is the shrimp and the sausage. Okay, you guys see the shrimp and the sausage. Then over here we got the grits. It's the yellow one. Yes, ma'am. Looking so good. So buttery. Yes, Lord. Look at this. And coming here is the pork chop, you guys. Look how juicy it is, you guys. Nice and golden, so juicy, you guys. Looks so good. Yes, ma'am. Overall, we are done. Now we're gonna fix the plate and then we're gonna eat. All right, so stay tuned, y'all. All right, you guys, here's the final product, you guys. Look at the pork chop. The pork chop looks so gorgeous, nice and golden. Well done cooked. Oh, yes, ma'am. Here's the grits, the shrimp and the sausage, you guys. And we garnish it with a little bit of parsley. It looks so good, y'all. Comment down below. Let us know how we did. Okay, Ben, I made this. This is dinner. You can eat this for breakfast any time of the day, like I said. So let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Hey, babe.
It's good as usual.
Y'all see this? You see the meat? Nice and juicy. Nothing dry. Everything is perfect, you guys. Yes. It's my turn to try it. Alright, you guys. Let your girl try it. Smells so good too. You're a bad camera holder.
It's taking so long.
Let me do it myself. Good. Y'all see this? The plate is empty, y'all. Bam. Y'all see? Okay, y'all.
I'm gonna eat it all pretty then.
No, I'm not. Yeah, it's good. 10 out of 10. It's so good. Look at this, man. 10 out of 10. You guys gotta try this. It's so good. We out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for... My hair look a hot mess, but you guys, It is so good, you guys. You guys must try this recipe. Okay? As you know, your girl loves you so much. Don't forget to always put God first, babes. They love you guys too. He's in the back talking to Eli. But you already know what it is. Your girl for the go eat. Oh, God. Bye, y'all. Love you all.